Hi, this is Mohammed Usman from Pakistan and you're watching Paper Knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you another amazing trick, and this trick will save a lot of time while working in Microsoft Excel sheets. Sometimes we really need to highlight an entire row, especially when we are updating or checking our data in Microsoft Excel sheets. So first of all, you have to press the Ctrl A from your keyboard. So your entire sheet, entire data will select, or you can also select your data by click on this small triangle behind your cell address bar, and now go to conditional formatting, and now click on new role, and now click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here we are going to write a small formula. You can remember this formula by yourself, or you can also find this formula in the description of this video, so don't need to worry about this. I'm typing the formula here. So this is the formula, and now click on the format, and here you have to click on the fill and choose the color which you want to highlight while working with your sheet. Let's suppose I'm going to choose this one, and now click OK and OK. After doing this, now we have done our 50% work. Now we have to define a VBA code, and for this just right click on the sheet and click on view code, and here we are going to write a code which you can also find in the description of this video, so you don't need to worry about this code, or you can also memorize this code just because someday maybe you got a chance to teach someone. So this is very good thing to remember things if you have a soul for teaching. Now just type the Target.Calculate, and here just press the Ctrl S command to save this code and close it, and close this window. Now you can see that whenever I change my cursor on any single row, my entire row is selected. So this is the way you can highlight your rows in Microsoft Excel. No matter how big the data is, just click on the row and it will highlight the entire row for you. Unfortunately, this option is not available directly in Microsoft Excel, but you can use these two codes, first from conditional formatting and then writing a VBA code. These two codes are also available in the description of this video, so don't need to worry about this. I'm also working as a computer instructor and Microsoft Office application instructor. If you have any kind of project, any kind of task, or if you want to learn Excel, Word, PowerPoint, you can directly contact me by filling the 1-minute registration form, which is also available in the description and the comment section of this video, or you can also hire me on Upwork, on Fiverr. I'm working as a full-time freelancer, so feel free to contact me anytime. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on the like button and click on the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get latest update on IT topics on Microsoft Office applications. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a very good day.